Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign ng Pisces. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po ha, mga Pisces na ipinanganak ng February 19 to March 20. Yan, okay, so titingnan natin ha ang energy ninyo. Yan ha, sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng June. Yan, Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isang like, shares, and subscribe lang po. Yan ha, yan. So, ito po is tinatawag na general reading. Okay, hindi po ito personal. Yan ha, okay. So, tingnan natin ha. Yan, sandali. Yung energy ninyo, okay? Tingnan natin your limitations. 'Di ba? Okay, ano ang issue? What's the issue? 'Di ba? Ano ang problema? Okay. So the result, 'di ba? It's about your hopes and fears, okay? Ano pa? It's about your attitude, 'di ba? Okay. So, tingnan natin ha. Sandali lang. Okay. And the overall energy. So, tingnan natin your energy. Oy, it's like tinatawag dito na you have commands, di ba? It's like sinasabi mong my rules, my games, di ba? Okay, it's like sinasabi mo na, okay, hawak ko ang oras ko. Yan, something like that, di ba? It's like sinasabi mo dito na, okay, I have all the time in the world, di ba? It's about your happiness. It's about tinatawag your passion. Maybe for some of you, tinatawag maaring dito sabihin na nating magpapaayos ka ng bahay, di ba? Renovation, maybe you will buy a new car, whatever. Maybe it has something to do about yourself. Di ba? Okay? So, what's the issue? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito ay, okay, so you are building. Ibig sabihin nito, you are doing well. You are doing good. Maybe for some of you, you are upgrading your skills. Maybe your passion, di ba? Maybe you're upgrading about yourself, di ba? Maybe maaaring for some of you yung tinatawag na nagda-diet kayo, exercise, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, it has something about your body, it has something to do about your health, diet, di ba? So maybe for some of you, baka naglilinis kayo ng bahay, kayo nagda-decorate ka ng bahay, nananahi ka ng mga kortina, diba? So, maaring dito for some of you, maybe it has something to do about your passions, diba? Baka dito ina-upgrade mo ang pagluluto mo ng cupcake, para gusto mo ma-perfect ang iyong tinatawag pagluluto ng cupcake. Maybe you're a musician, maybe you're a singer, pina-perfect mo ang iyong tinatawag na boses, diba? Maybe pina-perfect mo ang sayaw mo, diba? Yan, so it's more about perfecting something na kumbaga dito nakikita na aliw kayo. Aliw na aliw kayo. It's like tinatawag, nobody is looking at you, walang namimintas sa inyo, di ba? It's like tinatawag, vibes mo, it's like vibes mo sila, vibes mo ang neighbors mo, vibes mo ang mga siblings, vibes mo ang asawa mo, ang children mo, ang family mo. Wala dito yung tinatawag mga kritiko na namimintas sa inyo. Kaya yun na nakikita ko. So, ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, it's about tinatawag, this is your lucky, okay? Lucky month. Tinatawag na June, July, okay? Your lucky month, palabas ng June, July, August, September. It's like tinatawag mukhang ano na, sunod-sunod na itong swerte sa inyong buhay, okay? So, it's about, for some of you, it's about your religion, it's about your faith, it's about the dreaming, it's about your fantasy, it's about your illusion, di ba? It's about your marriage, di ba? It's about tinatawag your abundance, dito sa tinatawag na the hangman. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito na for some of you, it's about relationship, di ba? It's like maybe you're a teacher, di ba? Maybe ano ito sinashare nyo, is this your tinatawag na trabaho, your work, or sabihin na natin may mga platform kayo, social media, di ba? Bawa sa YouTube, it's about tinatawag na ina-explain mo sa kanila, di ba? Let's say, explain ko sa iyo paano ginagawa ito. Let's say, sabihin natin you're a hairdresser, di ba? Turo ko sa iyo ang angle, ang position, di ba? ng tinatawag na gunting, okay? Yung tinatawag mga layering, di ba? So, nakikita for some of you here is mayroong success, nag-growth. There is a growth, okay, between you and them. So, ibig sabihin nito, it's yung tinatawag na the justice. Ibig sabihin niya, the relationship. Okay? You are attracting, and people are coming. It's like tinatawag dahan-dahan, dumadating na ang mga customers, dahan-dahan, yung tinatawag na attract sa nagkakaroon na it's like you are getting their attentions. Yan, dahan-dahan nang lumalapit sa iyo. Even money, di ba? Swerte, yan, dahan-dahan na pong lumalapit. Because it's like tinatawag dito, natuto ka. Okay? And you continue working. It's like tinatawag, nakikita dito, you're always busy. Ano ito pinagbibisihan mo, di ba? It's like tinatawag na it attracts the attention of others, di ba? Yan. So nakikita dito, yung tinatawag the result. What is the result? It's like tinatawag na from caterpillar, okay, you will become a very, very beautiful butterfly. Maybe you are working hard for yourself to improve yourself, di ba? Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag you're in a hibernation period na kumbaga dito ay you are working very, very hard, di ba? So kaya dito nakikita ang tinatawag attraction. It's like dahan-dahan na nakakaroon ng attraction, di ba, from them. Why you are attracting them, di ba? Ano ito has something to do about your body, about your sex appeal, di ba? It's about your appearance. What attracts you? What attracts them to coming? Okay? Ibig sabihin papunta sa iyo. Ba't sila naglalapitan sa iyo? Has it something to do about what you are offering? Diba? Maybe sabihin natin meron kang tindahan, okay? Meron kang social media, okay? Platform, di ba? Maaring podcaster, yan, podcast. O maaring sabihin na natin it's about your intelligence, it's about your charms, di ba? Bakit naglalapitan ang mga ito? Di ba? It's like tinatawag, this is your luckiest, okay? Luckiest. Nagsisimula na ang tinatawag your lucky months. Nagkakaroon na ng attraction, di ba? Has it something to do about your job? Yan, kumbaga dito maybe mapopromote kayo, di ba? Maybe tinatawag magkakaroon ng windfalls of money, lalago ang inyong pamemera. Okay? It's like nakikita dito. It's about your sincerity. Okay? It's about your honesty. Di ba? So, tingnan natin your attitude. Di ba? So, this is your attitude. Okay? What about your attitude? Ibig sabihin, you're very, very dependable, maasahan. It's like, palagi ka nakatindig for everybody. You're always there for everybody. Di ba? Nakikita dito yung tinatawag na very, very visible kayo. Di ba? Saan kayo visible? Maaring sa family mo, sa mga siblings, sa other people, di ba? Community, sa trabaho mo. Very, very visible kayo. Di ba? So it's about your body, that it's about your tinatawag na your condition, di ba? It's about your prinsipyo. Ibig sabihin nito, mataas ang prinsipyo ninyo, okay? Maprinsipyo kayong tao, di ba? So ano itong tinatawag na the four of swords, di ba? How it's like tinatawag environment affects you, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na for some of you, maybe this is the time for contemplation, di ba? Meditation. It's a time for maybe you are very, very thankful, di ba? Because ito now, yan nakikita. This is you now, that's your energy now. It's full of blessings, full of abundance. So, ibig sabihin nito, this is the time to, it's like tinatawag manahimik para magpasalamat, di ba? So, tingnan natin about your hopes and fears, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, nagbabago na ang inyong tinatawag kapalaran, okay? Dumidikit na ang kapalaran sa inyo, okay? Dumidikit na. Yan, So, ibig sabihin, this is your leadership, your time. It's like you are shining na, okay? You're different, very, very different. Yan, nakikita dito. Kaya dito, kita mo, it's like the world is in your hand. Yan, kita ninyo. Sa the summary, yan, ibig sabihin nito, what you can do. Yan, you are the alchemy. You are the lovers. You are the tinatawag na people attracts to you. Yan, So ito na ang tinatawag overall energy. Yan ha. So ibig sabihin nito, hindi na mahirap mang-attract, di ba? Hindi na mahirap mang-convince, hindi na mahirap mag-promote, hindi na mahirap tinatawag magtumbalilong, di ba? It's like sila na mismo ang lalapit sa iyo. Yan, no? Nakikita dito, di ba? Since Jupiter is in tinatawag na nasa house of Cancer, di ba? So it's about your leadership, it's about your career. Magbo-boom ang iyong career. Yan, magbo-boom ha, yan, kita ninyo. Magbo-boom, it's like tinatawag, it's like a gift from God. Yan, it's like tinatawag, you will be rewarded. Okay, yan. So nakikita ko for some of you, yan, magkakaroon ng katuparan ang inyong mga panalangin, ang inyong mga hopes and dreams. If you want a private reading o kaya tinatawag personal reading, you can contact Lola Baby sa aking email address, at ang reading po is tinatawag yung face-to-face, either sa Facebook or sa WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Tagumpay kayo ngayon. Itong buwan ng tinatawag June, papunta, onward na ito, July, August, September, October. This is your best months, okay? Kumbaga, pumasok na. Okay? Nasa tinatawag na dito, yan, ang inyong tinatawag, the wheel of fortune. Yan, it's about your leadership. It's about you. Wala na makakaharang, hindi ka na malulungkot. Ibig sabihin nito, sunod-sunod na ang pasok na swerte, kapalaran sa inyo. Okay? Be it a love relationship, kaperahan, trabaho, di ba? Whatever. Kayo na lang po ang mag-fit. Ayan na, pumasok na sa bahay mo.